Good. All right. How to set up the ozone sauna. Let's go through a few steps here. Okay. So this is the ozone sauna, okay, or the steam sauna, and this is the ozone part. You can see the tubes are connected. Okay. So each piece of device as is the sauna itself, obviously. Okay. You have the ozone machine. You have a CO2 gas and an oxygen concentration gas. Okay. So pure oxygen out of here. All right. So these are the three pieces of equipment you're dealing with. Okay. So first step on setting up the ozone sauna, okay, is open it up, okay. You actually pull this seat out, okay, and you can test a patient, okay, prior or based on whatever height they are, if you see their height, okay, which slot it should be in for comfort, okay. So you're going to pop this tube open, okay, and you can see in there, there's a little water, okay. We only use distilled water. Okay, you have to use distilled water. If not, it messes it up. Remember that shit. Okay, you need to fill up this with distilled water. We will not do this right now. But you fill it up a good amount in there, and you close it. That is where your steam is coming from. Okay, you'll put this back in, picking the desired height. Oh. Close the sauna. Okay, it's important that you put a towel over the head covering hole, okay, to trap the heat so it can heat up faster, okay? Good, so now it's ready to be turned on. So you have to plug it in, okay, it needs electricity. All right, I plugged it in and you can see here on the screen, okay, that it's turned on, all right? So very simple, the left side is on and off, which it shows that it is off, okay? Up and down on this side, okay? One is temperature, one is time, and so on. So when the water is not full, okay, then you can get a message here that it says the water is low, okay? Well, what you want to do is you're just going to want to set the temperature to the desired temperature, okay? You'll read on that depending on how many visits they've done, and you can set the timer as well. It takes about 30 minutes to heat up, so you need to turn it on 30 minutes prior to their appointment or their desired time to actually do the service, okay? So you don't do anything with this equipment while it is heating up, okay? Let's fast forward a little bit. And now we're in the time when the patient arrives, okay? What you need to do is you need to get the patient in the sauna, already open it, put them in, okay? Grab this towel, wrap it around their neck, like so, while they're sitting here, and help kind of feel and give them some comfort for their neck in this area, okay? Once they're comfortable and they feel that heat, okay, now you're going to start the treatment process, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn on the CO2, okay? You just turn it on, you let that run for 5 minutes, okay? This helps open up those pores. Then you're going to tighten it and turn it all the way off, okay? Then you're going to turn on the oxygen. Once the oxygen is turned on, you're going to count to 30 seconds, and then you're going to turn on the ozone machine to the desired numbers or gamma so that it can now flow into the chamber while they're doing their treatment. And that will be for the next 10 to 15 minutes, depending on session time, okay? When they finish their session time, okay, you need to turn this off all the way. Make sure it's completely turned off, both of these, okay? Turn off this machine, off and off, okay? And then open the sauna and let the patient out, okay? They can open this anytime they want if it's too hot to air themselves out, but that's how you set up the sauna, okay? You unplug it so that this is off, and you double check that these are turned off. If you leave these on, you waste the gas and the next person cannot go in, okay? Any questions on this? Come and ask me before you start setting up a patient.